Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fearless Haven. Today we're going to be working on a double stitched seam. We are going to start off making sure that our fabric has wrong sides facing each other. When you're done with that, you're going to measure your seam allowance. I've chosen mine to be 1.5. So you're just going ahead to mark your 1.5 seam allowance. After that, you're going to go ahead to your sewing machine and sew that 1.5 seam allowance on the right side. When you're done, you're just going to give that a good press it flat, and then you go ahead and open it. When you open, you're going to measure and mark one side, like I'm showing here, one side of that seam allowance. You're going to measure 0.5 and then just mark from that seam like I'm showing in the video and trim it. Remember, right now we're working on the right side of the fabric. And after trimming, you're just going to fold that in and make sure your seam is 1 centimeter. After that, you press it down. That is how the wrong side will look like, and that is the right side. You go ahead to your sewing machine and sew at the edge, like top stitch at the edge, and this is how it will look. Neat and nice. You can use this on your denims, you can use this on your heavyweight fabrics. That is the right side, like I'm marking, and it